Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making something super comforting, savory hot pot beef bowl. Here is the thinly sliced beef for hot pot I picked up from the supermarket. Next, I'm slicing the onion into thin strips. This adds a nice sweetness to balance the sauce. Now let's make a quick sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chicken powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half a tablespoon of oyster sauce, a teaspoon of white pepper, half a tablespoon of potato starch, and 150 milliliters of water. Give it a good stir until everything is combined and smooth. Let's start cooking. I've got a wok of water boiling here. Add in 1.5 tablespoons of cooking wine. Then drop in the beef. As soon as it turns color, squeeze out and rinse it briefly in warm water. This helps remove the scum and keeps the texture nice and clean. Then just drain it well. Now heat some oil and toss in the blanched beef. Give it a quick stir fry to evaporate the excess moisture. Then toss in the onion slices. You want to stir fry until the onions are soft and fragrant. Now pour in that beautiful sauce we made earlier. Keep stir frying. Let that sauce cling to the beef and onions. When it starts to bubble and the sauce thickens into a glossy coating, it's ready. Spoon it over a bowl of steaming hot rice. Top it with a fried egg. And finish with a sprinkle of white sesame seeds. It smells absolutely amazing. Let me try it for you. Wow, the flavor is unbeatable. You've got to try this at home. It's simple, healthy, budget-friendly, and saves you so much time. Thanks for watching. See you next time.